Hi guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best natural spider repellents. Watch till the end to find our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with Coomly Spider Repellent. Coomly is a spider repellent that offers humane solutions to keep pests away. It is made of essential oils such as peppermint and lemongrass, which contain strong scents that keep spiders away. The spider repellent offers 60-day protection and can be placed in low airflow spaces, boosting its efficiency to offering 90-day protection. It also has a freshness indicator scale to tell you when to replace it. Coomly Spider Repellent is made of a dry gel formula, ensuring that it does not leave stains on any surface on which it is placed. The spider repellent is eco-friendly since it comes in a biodegradable mesh pouch that helps reduce plastic waste. It is suitable for outdoor and indoor settings. BugMD Spider Shield Repellent Pouches. BugMD comes in a pouch form and can repel spiders for up to 30 days until it loses efficiency. It is made using essential oils that are proven to keep spiders away. These essential oils, including lemongrass, citronella, and rosemary oils, are not harmful to humans. It is easy to use since it comes in a packed pouch and does not require cleanup afterwards. BugMD can be used outdoors and indoors as it can be placed in hard-to-reach places, ensuring total protection against spiders. It is also not harmful to animals, making it pet-friendly. Enbabbor Spider Repellent. Enbabbor is an easy-to-use natural spider repellent made using active ingredients such as peppermint, rosemary, and lemongrass. It comes in the form of a ball, and it uses corn to strengthen it and keep it intact. It keeps away various spiders such as black widow, brown skin spider, garden spider, tramp spiders, brown recluse spiders, and jumping spiders. Enbabbor is non-toxic to humans and should be replaced immediately after its scent fades to ensure efficiency. Which is the best? Coomly Spider Repellent is the best natural spider repellent because it is eco-friendly and offers a considerable time frame of protection, especially when kept in areas that do not receive much airflow. Its essential oils emit a pleasant smell that will keep your home smelling nice while keeping away spiders. It is also the best because it has a freshness indicator scale informing you when to replace it. Thanks for watching.